Student, today we are going to discuss another important topic of the compiler design, that is issues in the design of code generator instruction selection. So the code generator must map the intermediate representation program into a code sequence that can be executed by the target machine. The complexity of the programming this mapping is determined the different factor. So instruction selection, so there are different situation and environment which are available, and according to that what we are going to do, we are going to select the proper instruction. So the level of the IR, the nature of the instruction set architecture, the desired quality of the generated code, these are the few problems or factor which are covered. Now next, a key problem in code generation, which is deciding what value to hold in what register. And now that register are the fastest computational unit on the target machine, but we usually do not have enough of them to hold all values, and these values which not held in a register need to reside in the memory. Okay, so this instruction involving register operand which are invariably shorter and faster than those involving operand in the memory. So efficient utilization of register is particularly important. The uses of register is often subdivided into two subproblems, that is register allocation and register assignment. So register allocation, during which we select the set of variable that will reside in the register at each point in the program, and register assignment, during which we pick the specific register that a variable will reside in. Evaluation order, the order in which competition are performed which can affect the efficiency of the target code. Okay, let's take the example, that is 2 plus 3 into 5. So what we are going to calculate first? Obviously 3 into 5, then 3 into 5, then 2 plus into whatever the result which is to be given by the 3 into 5. So final result is your 17, and which is exactly what we can say that this affect the targeted code. As we shall see, this some competition order require fewer register to hold the intermediate result than the other. So these are the things which are related to the evaluation order. So these few issues which are covered for the design of a code generator, that are evaluation order, register allocation, then instruction selection, the target program, and input to the code generator. So there are five issues which are covered for the design of a code generator, that is input to the code generator, the target program, instruction selection, register allocation, and evaluation order. Okay, thank you.